Good morning, children. Today I have come to explain you about how to convert recurring decimal into normal rational number. So I take up one example. You might have seen earlier in class 7 also when we used to divide the number of this form into decimal form. We used to get this type of number 0.33333. These are represented as zero point 0.3 bar. Now suppose that we are knowing that how we have converted this into this form. But suppose a question has been given, you have been given 0.77 bar over there, which means 0.7777 and so on. You don't know how this has come. So if you are asked how to convert this into normal rational number, then today we'll be learning the same. You have, for this you need to have the idea of linear equation and knowing the steps of conversion and different steps of linear equation. Let us see how to do. Suppose I am taking this one 0.7 as x is equal to 0.7 bar, which means 0.777 and so on. Let us multiply both the side of this equation 1 by 10. Left side 10x, and in right hand side, as you know that when we multiply the number by 10 to any decimal, the decimal place shift to the one place right hand side. If there is 10, it will be shifting one place to the right hand side, and so this becomes 7.77 and dot, which means 7.7 bar again. Make it equation 2. Now what to do? Let us write both the equations one by one. 10x is equal to 7.7 bar, which means 7.77 and 7 and so on. And here we have already 0.7 bar, which means 0.777 and so on. Now see that these two equations, I will be subtracting the first equation from the second one, changing the sign, we get it in this way. 10x minus x, we get it 9x to the left hand side, and in right hand side I see that we can get it 7.0, because you know that this part is cancel in the sense that they are giving you 0. 7 minus 7 is 0, and like this. So what happens now? You see that this is nothing but simple linear equation, and I think children you are knowing very well how to solve it. There are the methods. Just shift 9 to right hand side, it will give you 7 by 9. And this means what was x? X was nothing but 0.7. So we can say that 0.7 bar is having the original rational number form is 7.7 upon 9. I think you would be able to do, and you can try for the next question also. Subscribe this channel if you like it.